Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's me, Tshegofatso. Hope that you're going to enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Let's get into the video. We have just bought some manure. These are some of those things that Amon will be buying, and I will be like, do we need manure? Because the person selling the manure was selling it for $20 a load. So the peas in this front garden are growing, and they're looking good. So you can see the manure on the peas. I don't know if this is cauliflower or broccoli. Sometimes because they look so similar to each other, they end up getting mixed, and so we never know. But the leaves of these vegetables are absolutely nice. Sometimes people see the leaves all the way from the passage, the other side, that side, and they'll be wanting to buy. And I'll be trying to explain that we don't want to over harvest them, because sometimes if you over harvest, then the head doesn't pop. But this time they look like they want to make heads really quickly. I'll show you the other side. Amon was showing me they're wanting to do heads really quickly, and he was asking himself if that's normal. So I was saying to him, I think this particular broccoli is healthier than the last one. Anyways, the cabbage, you can see how beautiful the cabbage is looking. So this one row on the outside, it's funny how things can be on the same bed, get the same water, the same mulching, the same everything, and then others don't do well and others do well. You can see this extreme one, they are not doing as well as the rest. That's the cabbage. Turn around for you, show you the other side. That's the other side. So in Zimbabwe, sometimes they call cabbage mthunzi wenyoka. I learned that the hard way, which means like shade for snakes. Last year it was drizzling and a child came through the passage wanting to buy a cabbage, and the first cabbage I held, there was a snake underneath. To be honest, I was so freaked out, I did not sell cabbage to him. I was afraid to move, because once those heads form and the cabbage is fully grown, you can't see nicely at the bottom. So that's kind of how the snake had tucked itself underneath there. It was rainy season. I was so freaked out. I told him I found a snake and I am too scared to sell to him. So I literally sent him away. But it seemed like he was looking for change more than anything. He wasn't looking for cabbage specifically. Anyways, yeah, so the snake was actually moving slowly because it was raining and kind of cold. They move a lot faster when it's hot, and I was so grateful, because had it been summer, I probably could have been bit by that snake. Yeah, so mthunzi wenyoka, what it means is that it's a shade for snake. Yeah, so since then I don't like cabbage. I don't like cabbage. Amon likes it, I don't like it, but what can I do? And this is the rape. Yeah, it's not looking the best. I don't know if it's because we didn't have water. So for 3 days electricity was gone, and it's not looking it's not looking as green as it looked before. Electricity was gone, and the water in the tank had finished and we're not able to pump. So we managed to organize that 2 days ago. Yeah, they look like they were really getting burnt by the sun. But anyways, we want to harvest this soon and make what you call dried cabbage. That's it for this side. Are you ready to go? Okay. The city is calling and we are responding. Vicky, look after the chickens, okay? Yep. Hey, Moana, hold your horses. Hey, boys and girls, out of the vegetable patch. I have to chase them calmly. Hey! Buggers! Stop it! I have to approach Kai calmly because otherwise the dogs will chase the chickens will fry. Moana! Hey! Stop it, man! Buggers! Come out of the vegetables! Wana! I'm gonna smack that hunt mode out of you, alright? Come on, let's go. Bella! Come on, Wana! No, Wana! Stop it! Come on, chickens, let's go. Moana! Moana is just trying her luck with me because she doesn't do that with Amon. Come on, chickens, let's go. Come on, everybody. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Vicky, no. Vicky. Come on. All right, let's go. Moana, can you use your voice, Amon?
Hey, Moana, make you. Make you.
Moana delalas me. She really tries her luck with me. I discovered the new food that the chickens love is this manure. Birds, back. Bella. All right. Come on, Wana. Let's go to the house. Do not go to the garden, you buggers.